upon the evaluator on the stage. Well, the evaluator, she is a spoken English trainer with 30 years of experience in the teaching field. Her hobbies include reading, public speaking, listening to speeches, music, singing, helping others. Well, she is a multi-talented person. Please help me welcome the evaluator for today, Toastmaster Uma Natraj. Ma'am, could we please have you on the stage?
Yeah. Thank you, Toastmaster of the Day. Thank you for the lovely welcome. Today, my speaker, Erumbarati Tanasingu, is going to give his first icebreaker speech. Let us give him a standing ovation for this. Let us all stand up and give him a standing ovation. Maybe we can give it after his speech. So Toastmaster Erumbarati is giving his first icebreaker speech, level 1. He is from Kadalur district, Tamil Nadu. He is working in Chennai. And he says he definitely doesn't want to become a champion, but to become a good communicator. His speech title is 1998 Comedy Action, 2014 Techno Thriller. The purpose of this project is for the member to introduce himself to the club and learn the basic structure of a public speech. We wish him all the best in his first icebreaker speech. All the best, Erumbarati. And his topic is dynamic leadership.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. When I asked Toastmaster Uma, because I obviously did not want to disclose what fruitful meant,
Shruti, you are muted.
You are on.
Got you.
Sorry. I'm so sorry. Well, thank you so much, Toastmaster Uma. Well, when I asked her what was her idea of a perfect fruitful evening, because obviously I did not want to give out that I was doing my small wordplay and the theme was fruits, she told me that attending a Toastmaster session of learning and sharing knowledge, values, stories over a cup of tea and pakoras was her favorite way to spend a fruitful evening. With that, she has already introduced the speaker in line with already some glorious words. So without delaying any further, I would like to call upon Toastmaster Erumbarati. I hope I'm speaking your name correctly. Toastmaster Erumbarati, 1998 Comedy Action, 2014 Techno Thriller, 1998 Comedy Action, 2014 Techno Thriller. Speaker Toastmaster Erumbarati, the stage is all yours.
Hi. The title is 1998 Comedy Action, 2014 Techno Thriller. Any guess on it? Anyone? Any guess? Fine. If guessed, tell us at the end of my speech. Otherwise, I will tell you at the end of my speech. When I heard about the icebreaker speech, I was thinking, what would be, is that something, the speech to be forceful to break the ice? Then I asked Toastmaster Anandaraj and Toastmaster Yogeshwari. They told me that it's about who are you? All of a sudden, I was thinking, who am I? That's what I'm going to share you all. Good evening, fellow Toastmasters and guests. When Zamindari system was abolished in India, a family got dismantled. It's the family of blue blood folks. The brother is a software developer. Short ago, the boy was screaming, stating that, no, I won't go to board high school. Then his father asks him why. He replied to his father, I don't like it. I studied only in SKB Higher Secondary School, Kurinchipadi, a nearby town. Then his father says to him, then you have to write an entrance examination. You have to crack it. Then he again replied to his father, no problem, I can crack it. Then he cracks that entrance examination, and then he joined that particular school, and then he completed his schooling with just 59.8%. It is not even 60%. Then it's the time for college. Then it's finance. What do you want to join? He simply says engineering. Then his father looked him up and down, and then he departed apart. Okay, I will join you in diploma in mechanical engineering, but the fee to be paid by your father, it was his father's elder brother. Fine, it's the first year. He cleared all the subjects, but failed in mathematics too. Third semester. What has happened to this guy? None was expecting. He was the topper in the mechanical department. But this guy is not happy because the arrear results were not yet released. Then on the way the result came, he checks for the result. And he jumps now on the college veranda because he passed that arrear examination. He got attracted by the mechanical engineering. Finally, he was the college topper, first class with honors. Now, he sent his father to receive the shield and the convocation at Vivekananda Polytechnic College, Neyveli, another town nearby his village. Here, he likes to do undergraduation, but the economy pushes his father to say this word: I cannot support you fiscally. You earn and learn yourself. Then he started to earn, took up a course in bachelor's degree in industrial engineering from Indian Institution of Industrial Engineering, Mumbai. Here, just he secured second class. Did he stop? No. He started again on the same year. This time, it was Master of Technology in Computer Aided Design, MTech CAD, from SRM University, Kattankulattur, Chennai. What he got was first class with distinction. Then he started his career in Mando Automotive India's R&D Center, which designs and manufactures automotive brake system. There he got an opportunity to learn the design and development at Mando's Global R&D Center, which is there in South Korea. Right now, he is working as a manager, brake system design. Is it over? No. He's a lifetime member of Institution of Engineers, Kolkata. He's a certified chartered engineer. He's a black belt sensei in Shotokan Karate-do. He knows 5 languages, includes 2 international languages. He plays cricket, right arm fast bowler. He likes to read books. Now, he is giving his level 1 speech to become a better leader through Toastmasters International by dynamic leadership pathway. It's the tip of his iceberg. Yes, it's a short about me. Fine. Guys, have anyone guessed about the title? Any answer? No? Okay, let me tell you. It is a movie name called Who Am I? It It was released in 1998 as a comedy action, and again, another movie released on 2014 as a techno thriller movie. It has a relationship to my education and career. That's why I related the movie name and the title, what I have explained about who am I. All this put together, I have put this title as 1998 comedy action, 2014 techno thriller. That's all. Thank you. Over to Tia Modi.
Thank you